Number 5. Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor. Need a budget-friendly food processor that performs like a champ? The Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor ticks all the right boxes. With its affordable price tag, this kitchen gem outshines most similar models. First off, you get a robust standard blade and a nifty reversible disc. This versatile disc slices on one side and shreds on the other, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The 2-speed options and pulse setting add to its flexibility. Whether you're finely chopping veggies or making a chunky salsa, it handles the job with ease. What sets it apart is the unique bowl scraper. This handy tool attaches inside and ensures every last bit gets processed. Forget the pricey competition, this feature alone becomes a game changer. Imagine not having to stop mid-blend to scrape down the sides. If there's one hiccup, it's the motor's noise at high speed. But considering its price and performance, this is a minor quibble. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Processor combines affordability, practicality, and efficiency.